Start.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine. Where are you from?
I'm from Shivana. How are you from?
I'm from Shivana.
What do you do?
I am a student. And you?
I'm also a student. Why have you come at my academy?
I am coming for learning English. And after finishing this course, what will you do?
Oh, after finishing this course, I will admit IELTS exam. After that, I will go abroad for my higher study. What's the future plan?
I want to be a successful businessman. And what's your major subject?
My major subject is English because I'm an English student at National University. What's your major subject?
My major subject is philosophy.
Do you know about the importance of learning English?
Oh yeah, sure. It's very important to learning English, and today our maximum countries people language English, and our maximum device, computer, mobile phone, others device main language English. If you learn English, you communicate all. It's very important for our daily life.
As a beginner,
As a beginner,
we have to know vocabulary, correct information, and remove shyness. This way, we can our English improving day by day. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day. See you tomorrow next time.
Thank you.